short side. Okay. Good job. Hey, do me a favor. When you bring him in, bring him in. Be stronger with your hand gestures, all right? And they'll do what you want.
Coaches, please be advised, we have a minimum 15-minute break between matches. A minimum 15-minute rest between matches. Wrestlers, watch the screens carefully. Nelson Brands of Iowa to the head table, please. Nelson Brands of Iowa to the head table. This is about 19. Cadet 120. Cadet 120. Caitlin Lerner of Maryland. Alex Slavich of Alabama. Report to mat 16. Lerner of Maryland. Slavich of Alabama to mat 16. Matt Stevens of
Rivera Ford, Illinois, mat 22, first call. Marco Ramirez Autos, California, to mat 11, first call. Andrew Tyler of Indiana, first call to mat 12. Nelson Brands of Iowa, first call, mat 3.
4, 3, 2, 1. Time, Sean.
Where?
Mat 3.
Anthony Argentieri of New York, first call, mat 15. Dylan Gregerson of Utah, first call, mat 20.
Cadets, we need you to pay close attention to the screens, gentlemen. Green is on the mat, yellow is on net, white in the hole. As soon as your name goes up there, make your way quickly to the mat, please. Thank you.
Argentarian, New York. Second call. Mat 15.
Jesus Gomez of Texas for his coach to the head table. Gomez of Texas for his coach to the head table.
Andrew Munn of Texas. First call. Mat 16. Alex Felix of California. First call. Mat 16. Michael Harris of Alabama. First call. Mat 1. Dylan Gregerson. Second call. Mat 20. Tate
How did he do?
of Kansas. First call. Mat 7.
Stayed at 120.
I'm sorry. 4 red, 2 blue. 4 red, 2 blue.
And Anthony Argentieri of New York. This is your third and final call to Mat 15. Andrew Munn of Texas. This is your second call to Mat 16.
No, 1-5.
Nate Cooper of Idaho. First call, Mat 3.
On it back.
Yep.
You want
Oh, I'm here. Thank you.
Leaving. Go ahead,
Junior
bring him up.
women's freestyle.
Bring him up,
Junior
Sean.
women's freestyle. The rosters are now available. Junior women's rosters are now available at the head table.
Good job, young man.